Hello everyone! In this video we will see how we can install the service of the SimmBi. So first of all you will have to connect with your username and password, and after doing this you can click here to the top and you have install service. So I will click on that, then I will open it. Install upgrade service. But what I forgot to do, which is also important, is to run the install as administrator. If you won't do that, it will raise you an error. So run as administrator, install upgrade service, and here you have to put your username and password. Something that is important here is that your password to the SimmBi must not contain special characters. If it contains special characters, you will have to change the password, because it can't work with special characters, it will raise you an error. So short pause. If you need to change password, you will have to log out, and in the login you will have here to the bottom forgot change password. And when you will click on that, you will get to your email a temporary password, you will insert it, and then you will be required to change password and then choose a password without special characters. So I will put here my password and I will choose where I want to install it. I will take C folder and submit. Now it can take a while. Alright, perfect, it was installed successfully. Now you can also see in the services that you will have a new service with the name of MapDB, which is the agent, the service of the SimmBi, and as you can see it is running. Now I will go to the scan. We will have an explanation of what is the scan in next videos, but actually it's connecting the database, so I just want to show you that it will connect to our local host. So I will bring it a name, course agent con, and the server will be the local host, and this will show us that it was installed correctly. I have to change the connection to be Postgres. I put here the DSN name, this is the name of the database, port, I will put the port, username, password, and let's see. Okay, I have here a problem. I will change two things. I will switch it to Sakila warehouse. This is a database I have on my computer, and I will change the SSL connection, the SSL mode, to be allow, and then I will try again. This should work now. Alright, perfect. So our connection was successful, so that shows us that the service, the agent, was installed correctly on our computer. So this is it for the installation of the agent, of the service of the SimmBi. See you in the next videos.